In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an automated multi-step logic chain in Hermes Agent. First, open Hermes Agent and go to the main screen where you can access the Give Hermes a Task input box. To build a logic chain, start by clearly defining the full workflow you want the agent to follow from start to finish. Think of it as a step-by-step process instead of a single task. Next, break your workflow into stages. For example, first extract data, then analyze it, then categorize it, and finally generate a structured output or response. Then, explicitly instruct Hermes to execute each step in order, making sure the output from one step is used as the input for the next. You can also add rules for validation, such as checking for missing data, cleaning inputs, or refining results before moving to the next step. Once you submit the prompt, Hermes will automatically run the multi-step chain and process the task sequentially. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.